Students, I am going to explain results on parallel lines. In this sequence, first of all, I want to explain what is parallel line and what is transversal line. Parallel lines are those lines which never intersect each other and they have no common point and they have equal distance everywhere, like this. These are two parallel lines L and M which never intersect each other. They have no common points and they have equal distances between them everywhere. Therefore, these are parallel lines. What is transversal line? A line which intersect two or more lines at different point or distinct point, like this. This is the transversal line T which intersect lines L and M at different point, distinct point. Like this is a O and this is the M. These are two intersection points. When a transversal intersect a pair of parallel lines, it makes 8 angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. It makes 8 angles. There are different names of the angle, like those angles which are exterior to the parallel lines, that are known as exterior angle, like angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8 are exterior angles. Interior angles, those angles which are interior in the parallel lines. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. These are interior angles. Corresponding angles, angle 1 is corresponding to angle 5. Means 1 and 5 are corresponding angle. The angle which directions are same, but one angle is the exterior and second angle is the interior. That is known as corresponding angle. Angle 1, angle 5 are corresponding angle. Angle 2, angle 6 are corresponding angle. Angle 4, angle 8 are corresponding angle. Angle 3, angle 7 are corresponding angle. Then interior angle on the same side of transversal, that is also known as consecutive interior angle co-interior angle are allied angle. Angle 3 and 6 are co-interior angle. Angle 4 and angle 5 are co-interior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Angle 1 alternate exterior angle is 7. Means in the exterior angle group you will have one angle between them. Like angle 1 exterior angle is angle, alternate exterior angle is angle 7, angle 2 alternate exterior angle is angle 8. Like this, you have also alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle of angle 3 is angle 5, angle 4 is angle 6. These are the angles which are made up in this figure. There are also relations. First, alternate exterior angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and co-interior angles are supplementary. Means interior angle on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Their sum is 180 degree. These are the properties. You will able to write. First, alternate exterior angle, angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8. These are also equal by the property of parallel lines. Second, alternate interior angle, alternate interior angle, angle 3, angle 5, angle 4, angle 6. These are alternate interior angle. Third, corresponding angle, angle 1, angle 5 are corresponding, angle 2, angle 6 corresponding, angle 4, angle 3, angle 7 corresponding, angle 4, angle 8 are corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are also equal to each other. Then fourth, co-interior angle, co-interior angle, angle 3, angle 6 are co-interior angles, angle 4, angle 5 are co-interior angle. Their sum are 180 degree.